This module gives tuition on opening and using an ebook reader. Ebook resources let you read a digital version of a book. They offer features such as changing the text size and adding bookmarks. To open an ebook, tap on the resources icon. Alternatively, scroll down the portal screen to view a list of resources recently added to the system and tap on an image. After you open an ebook or any resource, it will be listed in the Recently Viewed section. Swipe to the side to view the full list, then tap on an image to open it. When the Resources List screen is loaded, tap on the eBooks Resources type. The app will display a list of all the ebooks on the system. Tap on any image that has a green cloud within the listing. For more information on cloud colors and downloading files, view the resource module tutorial. The app will decrypt the ebook file. This can take a few seconds or longer depending on the size of the resource. Once the file has decrypted, the ebook content will load. Please do not touch the screen until the animated icon disappears. When the ebook text or cover image displays, it is ready to be used. You can use the ebook reader in two viewing modes, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait mode means the book is in a vertical position. Many users find this to be similar to holding a traditional book. By rotating the tablet 90 degrees, the ebook reader changes to landscape format. This lets you see more text on the screen. Navigating through an ebook is a very simple process. To move to the next page, simply tap to the right of the screen. Make sure you tap in a blank area. To move back a page, tap on the left of the screen. The page navigation slider at the bottom shows your progress as a percentage. Because ebooks are digital and their text sizes can change, there is no traditional numbering system. Tap the slider and swipe your finger across to go to a different chapter or section of the book. To skip between chapters, tap the Table of Contents icon at the top left. A list of sections will display in a panel. Swipe up and down to see all the available sections, then tap on a section heading to open it. The ebook reader lets you add bookmarks so you can return to a page. Tap on the Options icon to view the Options panel. The first option on the list lets you add, view, and remove bookmarks. To add a bookmark, navigate to the page you want to save, then tap Add Bookmark button. The current page will add to your bookmarks list. You can return to this panel at any time to view your bookmarks. To remove a bookmark, tap the X button beside it. The ebook reader has a powerful search facility to find words and phrases within a book. Tap the icon at the top right to open the Options panel. Tap the magnifying glass tab to view the search panel. Enter a word or phrase in the text box by tapping on the control and using the virtual keyboard. Tap the Enter button on the keyboard or the magnifying glass to the right of the control to begin the search. When searching an ebook for the first time, the app needs to build an index. This can take a moment, so please be patient. An animated icon will appear while this happens. The results of your search will list below. You can swipe up and down to view the full list. Your search phrase will highlight in yellow. Tap on a result to open that page. Results will also highlight the text on the page itself. Along with phrase search, the Viewing Options panel lets you change how the e-book reader displays the content of a book. Tap on the e-book reader options icon at the top. Then tap the double A icon to see the viewing options. You can select from 4 colors to change the background of the screen. The default is sepia, which is less straining on the eyes than pure white. Choosing black is best for nighttime reading. Tap on a color to change the current view. If you leave the ebook reader screen, then return to this book, the app will automatically remember your viewing options and pick up where you left off. You can increase or decrease the size of the text by tapping on these icons. Larger text size is less straining on the eyes, while smaller sizes let you see more content on the screen. Please note that changing the text size can sometimes affect bookmarks. You may need to navigate forward and back a page to view them. Tapping the font control lets you change the style of the text. There are several types to choose from, including serif and sans serif. Tapping the line height controls lets you change the vertical spacing between text. This can help with heavy chunks of content to make them more readable. Combine this with a larger size and font to make the most comfortable reading experience. To remove all viewing options, tap the Revert to Default button. Changes will be saved for the current ebook when you leave this screen. Like Bible verses, you are able to highlight text in an ebook. Highlighting identifies important passages while you study. The app lets you choose from several colors, including red, green, blue, and yellow. To highlight some text, you first need to select it. This process involves several stages. First, tap and hold a word within the text you want to highlight. You will notice 2 selectors appear, and the word is selected in blue. Next, lift your finger off the screen. The word is still selected, but now you can expand it by pressing and dragging your finger to the side using one of the selectors. More words will select as you do this. You can repeat this process until you're happy with your selection. Next, press and hold your finger down on any part of the selected text. The highlighted panel will appear at the top of the screen. Tap on a color to select it. The text will highlight in that color and the panel will disappear. You can highlight as much text as you want using any of the colors. To remove a highlight, tap and hold anywhere within the highlight text to select it. Lift your finger off, then press and hold that word again. The highlight panel will appear at the top. Tap the X icon to remove the full highlight. The ebook reader also lets you add notes for the current resource. The Notes panel is located at the bottom of the screen next to the Bible panel. Tap the yellow bar to open and close the Notes panel. You can enter and edit text by tapping in the white text box. This will expand as you add more notes. The red arrow control in the center lets you hide and view both the Bible and Notes panels. Alternatively, you can tap the Notes icon on the yellow bar again. The ebook reader automatically recognizes Bible references within the text. You can then tap on a reference to open it directly. Bible references are marked with a star icon and are underlined with dots. Please note that if the references does not contain the full or partial book name, chapter and verse, the app may not recognize it. Tap on a verse to open the Bible panel at the bottom. Wait until the passage loads and the app will scroll to the correct reference. Tap the green Bible bar or red arrow icon to hide or show the Bible panel. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.